moving the same way.
Heck.
The wind.
I know. Wait, watch out.
Probably out of juice.
Rex, back up.
Now, Rex, back up.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill it. Won't light on fire on me.
Come on.
Watch out. Back up.
Lot of
Come on,
stories.
do it. Keep it on there until it catches on fire and starts sprinkling everywhere. There. Now it will catch the other one on fire.
It's gonna be a big snake. I wonder how long it's gonna be. You look at it.
Oh, that was it.
That was cool though.
Yeah. There's that. And then that's what was left of it. I said we go inside and get more.
Go get the pop rocks and set them on fire.
Pop rocks.
Yeah, the poppers.
Oh, that's not fun though. This is funner. Rex don't. Rex don't. Rex
But it
don't.
will make the